Hello and welcome to this tutorial on decimals. Let's look at some examples. Calculate 3.45 add 2.43. Using the column addition method, we write the numbers under one another, ensuring the decimal point is aligned. And starting from the right hand side, 5 add 3 makes 8, 4 add 4 makes 8, 3 add 2 makes 5. Therefore, 3.45 add 2.43 is 5.88. Let's look at another example. Work out 4.32 subtract 2.45. Using the column subtraction method, write the numbers under one another, ensuring the decimal point is aligned. And starting from the right hand side, we will do 2 subtract 5. However, this does not give us a positive number, therefore we will need to borrow from next door. The 3 becomes a 2, and the 1 we borrowed we place behind the working 2 to make 12. Now, 12 subtract 5 gives us 7. We can move on to the next column. 2 subtract 4, once again, does not give us a positive number, therefore we will need to borrow from 4 to make the 2 bigger. The 4 becomes a 3, and the 1 we borrowed we place behind the 2 to make 12. Now, 12 subtract 4 is 8. And finally, 3 subtract 2 makes 1. Therefore, 4.32 subtract 2.45 makes 1.87. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.